we guide you through how to embed a video in your Outlook email. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook and click New Email. Then, instead of attaching a large video file, which is often won't send, upload your video to a platform like YouTube or OneDrive and copy the video link. Next, go back to your email and paste the link directly into the body. Outlook will automatically generate a preview in some of versions, but for better results, take a screenshot thumbnail of your video. Insert that image into your email by clicking Insert, then Pictures. And once it's added, highlight the image, press CTRL plus K or click Link, and paste your video URL so when recipients click the image, it plays the video instantly. This method keeps your email lightweight and more professional. Now, if you're using Outlook Web, the steps are almost the same. Just compose a new message, insert your thumbnail, and hyperlink it to your video. Always add a short call to action like click to watch to increase engagements.